Hey there, awesome RC fans. Welcome back to TJsRC. Glad you're here with us today. If you've been following along with the troubleshooting series, you know we've gone through everything on this truck. Everything except one piece. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. The ESC. This is a Hobbywing Easy Run WPSC8 that I've had for a few years now. The Break the Bronco's the third RC that I've had this in. So it's been through quite a bit. It's lasted a good long time, but I think it finally gave up the ghost. All of the other parts that we looked at on the truck and fixed and replaced, and this is the last one. I've been in contact with Hobbywing's tech support to try to troubleshoot what I can with this. I went ahead and replaced these bullet connectors in the last episode, if you saw that, but that turned out to have nothing to do with the issue because it didn't solve anything. So the last thing they told me to do was to try a different battery connector, and I went ahead and soldered a new connection on there. But since that didn't solve our problems, we're basically left with replacing or repairing. I'm currently waiting to hear back from tech support as to what the next recommendation is going to be. For now, this is just going to sit on a shelf as I wait to hear back from them. In the meantime, though, I still want to drive this truck. I still want to take it out and have some fun. So where does that leave us? Well, that leaves me with throwing in the backup brushed system that I have for this thing. I'm not going to show you installing that, but I will take you over to take a peek at it. You guys have seen me install enough stuff on this truck lately, and I really want to get out and do some running videos. So let's come over to the bench, take a peek at what I got in here for now. As you can see, I went ahead and put the stock Traxxas motor back in. Because I jumped up to a 3S LiPo, I went ahead and put the 9-tooth pinion on this. So the top speed will still be close to stock, but we'll have a lot better slow movement while I'm running this motor. Just a cheap Hexfly 3S capable brushed ESC. The original Traxxas ESC that was in here is currently in the truck that my son drives, Orangey, the Red Cat Gen 7. I have it in there for him because I love Traxxas's trainer mode that runs 50% power on everything. Makes it a lot easier for the little guys when they're learning how to drive the trucks. For now, though, this is going to be more than good enough to go out and get some trailing done. I've been spending a lot of time with the truck just sitting here on the bench doing nothing. Alright, at least now we can take the truck out and do some trailing, and I'm excited about that. Hope to get some footage recorded for you guys to put up some more trailing videos. It's been fun doing this troubleshooting series for sure. I've enjoyed it. I hope you guys have had fun with it too. Hopefully this time this is the last episode for the troubleshooting series, until a new problem comes along and we start digging after that one. But hey, that's one of my favorite parts of this hobby, is being able to fix, repair, modify, build my own things with the trucks here. I love it. Hope you guys are loving it and learning more about it all the time. If you liked the video, be sure to let me know. Say something in the comments. If you're not subscribed, but you enjoy what I do here on the channel, and you enjoy doing the same thing with your own RCs, then hit that subscribe button so don't miss out any of the upcoming videos. You are an awesome RC fan. See you next time.